Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share notes in Otter AI in 2026. If you want to send meeting notes, transcripts, or conversation summaries to your teammates, classmates, or clients, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your recorded and imported conversations. Next, find the conversation or meeting notes you want to share and click on it to open the full transcript. Take a moment to review the notes and make sure everything is accurate before sending them. Now look for the Share button near the top of the conversation page and click on it. A sharing window will appear with different sharing options. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to share the notes with. If you're sharing with multiple people, add each email address separately where supported. Now choose the appropriate sharing permissions. Depending on your account features, you may be able to allow others to view the transcript or collaborate on it. After selecting the permissions, click the Send or Share button. Otter AI will send an invitation so the recipient can access the shared notes. You can also copy the sharing link if you prefer to send it through email, messaging apps, or your team's communication platform. Finally, confirm that the notes have been shared successfully and update or remove access later if you no longer want someone to view the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share notes in Otter AI step by step. You can now collaborate with your team, classmates, or clients by sharing accurate meeting notes in just a few clicks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.